How to compress PDF file size using Adobe Acrobat. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can compress PDF file size using Adobe Acrobat. To compress a PDF file size using Adobe Acrobat, you can use either the online tool or the Acrobat Pro desktop application. Here I'm going to open the application. Click on the app to open, and once you open it, here make sure you are logged into your account. And once you are logged into your account, here at the top left you will be able to see the create button. Simply hover your cursor to it and then you will see this menu. From here select open files option. Alternatively, you may also press Ctrl+O key from your keyboard in order to select this option. Once after selecting the option, now upload a PDF from your device. After uploading, you will be taken to this page. Now, in order to compress this PDF, you will need to find the Compress PDF option from the left side of this screen. You'll be able to see the option at the bottom. Once you find it, simply click on it, and this will reduce your PDF file size and then control image and font settings. Also make sure that you have subscribed to the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat in order to use this feature. Once you click on it, you will be presented with a pop-up where you will need to select the compatibility option and then click on OK button. After that, you will need to rename the file and then click on Save. You can also further refine optimization settings such as PPI for color, grayscale, and monochrome images. Compressing PDFs makes them easier to share and upload. So by following these steps, you should be able to compress PDF file size using Adobe Acrobat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.